If I say 4xy and negative 2xy, we are not concerned about the coefficients when we're looking for like and unlike terms. So imagine that you are blocking out the coefficients and you want to see if the variables and the exponents are exactly the same. And both of them are x, y, so they are like terms. And even if I change the letters into a different order, for example, 4yx and negative 2xy, these terms are still like terms, even though the variables are not in the same order. But in the previous video, we learned that in algebra, we always write variables alphabetically. So we would write this 4yx as 4xy. That allows us to quickly identify like terms.